It's kind of cloudy out now, and it looks like it just started charging. Looks like it is indeed charging. Once I bring it inside, and it stopped, but then I bring it back outside, it just started charging right now. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see this. It is charging. See that? It is indeed charging. I'm gonna have to get a better shot when it's sunnier out, but it does work. Okay, so I'm gonna read the manual real quick, just go over a few important things about the ECEEN solar charger. It obviously collects power from the sun, then converts sunlight into electricity and charging electronic devices such as mobile phone, power bank, digital camera, etc. It is lightweight, portable, and easy to take out. And it can hang to any bag as users demand. It comes with the 10-watt solar charger, the USB cable, and the little clips that you can use to hang it on whatever you want to hang it on. This is not waterproof, but it is weather resistant. Just don't leave it in heavy rain or snow. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge your cell phone, like an iPhone. Put it in direct sunlight for the best results. You want to put it in direct sunlight, not behind a window, because some windows might have been tinted, which block infrared UV light. It is okay to charge devices on a cloudy day, but the charging efficiency will be lower and the time will be prolonged. This cannot be charged in home lighting. It has to be from the actual sun. It says the solar panel should be perpendicular to the sun ray. The only way to use it is if you're actually in the sun and you have the device plugged into it simultaneously. So I'll get back to you later and see how this works. It's novelty. Let's go out directly in the sun so that way you can see how it just charges when it's out in the sun. Just like that, it's already turning on. And I just stepped out here. There we go. My phone is charging. I don't know if you can see that. Obviously you don't want to leave your phone out in the sun, but yeah, it's a nice day out. You know, sun coming down onto the solar panel, just sitting on the sidewalk, and here it is. If you can see that, it is indeed charging. Let's see if I can make this a little more darker here. If you can see this, it is charging. See, it says 50% charged. 50% charged. So it is charging. So now I can just put my phone in my pocket, and if I was just chilling outside, sitting down, chilling, I got my little solar panel thing next to me if I'm camping, and I got my phone charging while I'm outside in nature. Obviously I'm in the concrete jungle right now, but that might be just as well, you know. You might be in the city when you need to charge your phone and you don't have an outlet. Well, when the apocalypse comes, one of these things is going to come in handy. If we even have cell phone reception, which we probably won't. But either way, whether it's the apocalypse or you're just outside for a long period of time and you don't have any access to any electrical outlets, camping, whatever, protesting outside, whatever it might be, just know your phone will never die. This has been Novelty. Thank you for watching. If you use this code right here, you will get 10% off one of these fine ECEEN charging solar powered devices. Hope everyone has a great day. It's Novelty. Peace and love.